Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to psysigns, where we decode behavior and help you build emotional clarity. And today, we're talking about something we've all been through. Fighting with your crush. When you and your crush had a fight, things went south, and now you're stuck wondering, can we ever be cool again? Stick with me because I'm going to share 5 clear steps to fix things with your crush after a fight, and trust me, number 5 is the one most people forget, but it's the real deal breaker. 1. Start with a reset, not an apology dump. When you reach out, don't send a long essay of regrets that can actually push them away. Instead, go for a clean reset, something light like, "Hey, it's been a while. I know things got messy, but I'd like us to be cool again." Question for you. Have you ever over-explained an apology and made it worse? Be honest. 2. Own your part without forcing theirs. If you made a mistake, acknowledge it. But don't chase them for their apology. When you take calm responsibility for your side, you create space for them to reflect without pressure. This shows maturity, and yes, maturity is attractive. 3. Rebuild with small, neutral interactions. Don't jump straight back into crush mode. Start as friends again. Comment on something casual, share a funny meme, or ask about something they like. It's the non-romantic little touches that slowly thaw the ice. 4. Watch their energy, not just their words. If they respond with warmth, great. If they stay cold or distant, don't force it. The goal isn't to win them back, it's to build healthy connection. Sometimes the healthiest move is realizing they're not ready. Hard truth. If they're giving one-word replies, that's your sign to step back. 5. Know when to let go. The bonus power move. This is the hardest part. If you've reached out, tried to make peace, and they're still holding on to the fight, it may be time to let go. Sometimes closure comes from you, not them. And guess what? Walking away with dignity often speaks louder than begging ever could. Bonus. Turn the page, don't rewrite it. Here's the secret. Don't try to erase the fight or pretend it never happened. Instead, let it be part of your story. Sometimes conflicts, when handled well, actually build deeper trust. If you can both laugh about it later, that's when you know the bond survived. Pro tip. A simple, "Wow, remember when we fought about that? We were so stubborn," can turn tension into connection. So those are 5 steps plus a bonus to fix things with your crush after a fight. Remember, healthy love isn't about never fighting. It's about how you come back stronger after the fight. Don't forget to subscribe because here at psysigns, we're building emotional clarity one truth at a time. See you in the next one.